Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Well, in today's video, I'm going to have two of my daughters joining me and we are going to be baking Christmas cookies. Oh, we've got something exciting to share. Stay tuned. Now, before we get started, Courtney is making us all a coffee because we need to get caffeinated. That one for me?
Yes.
No, I'm not on my diet right now, if anyone's asking. I always go tomorrow, 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 and tomorrow comes and I'm like, what are we having for dinner? What are we having for lunch? Coffee? Cheers. Good. What did you make?
It's hazelnut peppermint coffee.
Good, guys. What is your new news?
Oh, we got an apartment. We're moving out.
The baby chickies are leaving the nest. They're leaving the nest.
It's time.
So, as you all know, after Christmas, it will be down with Christmas and packing up
And
moving
out
to West Virginia. So they found an apartment. They both got new jobs. They went out to West Virginia last week. They nailed their interviews. They had multiple job offers and they both got some great jobs and they found an amazing apartment. So guys, I have an extra room to decorate. This is wonderful. Ralphie is just sitting here like a good boy. Oh, he must be awfully cold and he's watching us. All right, guys, today's cookies are 4 ingredients. We like to do things easy in this house. This is the first time I've ever made these cookies. Well, second time I should say. I made some yesterday and they're all gone because they were that good. So we're gonna make them all together. Like I said, 4 ingredients and I'm gonna let them take over. They're called cake mix cookies. It can't get any easier than this, but the flavor is so good, so good. I'm gonna let the girls take over. I'm gonna film them and we're gonna get these in the oven and in our tummies.
All right, you guys, you're gonna set your ovens to 350 degrees. And then you're gonna need some either white or yellow cake mix. You're gonna grab your cake mix, snip, snip, snip. Next, you're going to melt a 1/3 cup of butter. Next, you're gonna need 2 eggs. Perfection. Next, we're dumping the butter. We're gonna mix, mix, mix. There you have it, folks. Get a cookie sheet, then your parchment paper. Then in the process, practice your Christmas present wrapping skills. Perfection.
So at this point, this is what your cookie dough batter looks like. And now we're gonna make little balls and put them on the baking sheet.
At this point, feel free to dump in some Christmas sprinkles.
Stir, stir, stir. Perfection. We're making little round balls. How's your day going?
It's going good.
Guys, we're almost in the final stretch.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
It landed perfectly on the pan. Ah. That one needs to be bigger anyway. Oh. You know, jingle all the way, like, put that cookie down now! Corny timing.
it's Christmas. When the snow starts to fall, then you know it's Christmas. For the children above all.
Then you place in the oven and bake for
8 to 10 minutes. Perfection.
Break the bread, now sweet, now sweet, now sweet, now sweet the floor, sweet, 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 now sweet the floor. Now back it in, bake it in, bake it in, bake it in, now sweet, sweet. Actually, we're mopping. We're mopping, we're mopping, we're mopping, we're mopping, we're mopping.
take a look. They look like a cookie but have the consistency of a cake. Let's try one out. Perfection.
Perfection.
We made these. If y'all want, top them off with some frosting. I can't get any better than that.
And some sprinkles.
There you go.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
The end.
All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the entertainment, and I will see you back here on Friday. Mwah!
Hope you enjoy.